Here is my reaction video to the markets this morning, the day after, the night before, Elon Musk and Tesla. And I'm very happy with the way I played it. Let me go straight into it and share with you exactly. Tesla last night popped up. I took profits at 146. I sold my short-term position. I've got my long-term position still in my Roth IRA. I said that this now will fall in the morning, and it has. It started to. It keeps getting rejected. I've got a buy order to buy back at 120. My average is 112. You can see here, I've now sold my short-term position. I'm prepared to pay 120. Elon Musk let me down with his Twitter rant about how big he is on Twitter. If you want to see that video, you can just go to above my head just there, and that'll take you to the moment that Elon Musk brags about his Twitter experiences, despite his lying to his investors, selling off his shares of Tesla to buy Twitter. And the most unbelievable, disrespectful thing I've ever seen on an earnings call, and it shows you the ego of the man. But however, I am an investor in Tesla, just not a fan of Elon Musk anymore. I can't abide by liars, manipulators, and people then brag on how they stuffed it to the investor. Incredible. Anyway, so Tesla's gone down this morning. What did I do with it? I sold it. And I took a profit. Many of my investors on my show did far better than me. They sold it at 155, 160. I did at 146 because I knew it was going to go down and I wanted the money on hand. And what I did was buy this, Nextera Energy. I have a small position, but it went down and got oversold. It beat on earnings, but got a bad forecast. However, this company does well, and it's got a good dividend. Remember, Tesla doesn't have a dividend at all. This company has got plenty of growth in it. It's not like Enphase Energy, which is overbought and 1,000,000% up. This is one that's at the beginning of its journey, but is a world leader. So I bought this morning on the dip, and I'm up on it. So I took my profits from Tesla, and I bought this. So not only have I made money on Tesla, because I know it's going to go back down, I bought Nextera Energy, and I can now grow this one, and I get a dividend as well. So for those of you who think we are now in a bull market, I've got some news for you. This is still a bear market. It's a bear market rally that has run for 3 weeks. Bear market rallies can run for quite a considerable time. However, I do think 2023 is going to get much lower lows. So I'm taking profits. I'm putting it into stocks that are emerging, that have only upward growth, not downward growth. There's still, downward pressure, and there is still downward pressure on Tesla, no question about it. But if we go back to Nextera Energy, as I'm talking about it, it's going up and up and up, and the only regret I have is buying more. But it would have made no sense for me to buy any more. 2% of my portfolio is balanced. I want to have cash on hand. Why? Well, because I do think that Tesla will go down today and I could pick it up at 120. It's quite a drop, right? The earnings was great. Elon Musk let himself down. Most people don't care about that. I do. For me, fundamentally, lying and abusing your investors is paramount to me. Most people say, I don't care, the stock's going up. Well, I do, because I look at the longer term damage of the brand, and I think the longer term damage of the brand is there. It's a great company, it's doing really great, but Elon Musk should, in my opinion, should remain as chief rocket scientist, chief engineer, what he calls himself, but I do think he should be taken off as the CEO. I think he's a bad representation of the company. I think the company would do better if Elon Musk wasn't the CEO. Anyway, Tesla's going back up as I talk about it right now. It might go back up a bit, but I don't think it's going to break that 160. If it does break 163 today, it's likely to go up to 190. And that's good for me as well, because I hold my long-term position on my Roth IRA. So I'm holding that position, but I am out of my short-term position, and so I have two accounts with Robinhood, and I'm looking to buy it back down. So let's just update Nextera Energy. There you go. There's my Tesla money going up. I was down 8% this morning. I'm now down 4.93. It's getting better and better as we speak about it, actually. Nextera Energy. There you go. Plus the dividend. It's safe. So there you go. What are your thoughts on Elon Musk last night? Do you think that his rants about how good he is and how big he is on Tesla is bad for Tesla, or you think it's just Elon being Elon and you don't care? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll reply to all your comments. If you want to win $20 today, by the way, we're giving away tomorrow morning on the opening bell. Click up here and it will take you to our Ali Tizro video about our crypto challenge, and if you watch it through, it tells you what comment to leave, and you can actually win a $20 cash prize tomorrow on the show. I know it's not much, but it's double the money I make on the video. I just like to help people out. There you go. So check that out and you can win tomorrow. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.